Hi guys, Dave's here. Hey, I want to replace my old ugly foundation vents with these Master Flow. They're automatic and everything. I picked these up at Home Depot. If you want the number off of them, this is what it is, FVRABL. It's a black vent. Very simple install here. You need some basic tools. You need a flat screwdriver, hammer, and a chisel here. So let me take the old one out here. Somebody's put some sealer or something around this thing. Well, this has been a stubborn one. As you can see here, this one wasn't going to be working. Somebody sprayed insulation foam inside of it. Let me clean all this out here. Well, maybe yours won't be as bad as this in here, but sometimes you'll have cement down here at the bottom that you'll have to break off to put this in there, but make sure you clean all the edges off. Okay, once you got it cleaned off there, this thing does have one way to go in. It does have a top, so slide it in place. I have to push mine up to the top. Just make sure you ain't got no gaps, and you know you're gonna have to just kind of pick and choose here at the center of it. Screwdriver. Now it just takes a flat screwdriver, and all you gotta do is tighten these screws in. Okay, once you got them tightened in, you should be snug. You shouldn't be able to pull it out. And that's all it is to it, guys. So I hope this helps somebody out. As always, thanks for watching, guys.